As a busy mom of 2 boys, I spend a lot of time in the laundry room. So I wanted to create a space that was not only functional, but also beautiful. So I'm excited to share this unique space with you today. So laundry rooms are definitely one of my favorite spaces to design. So I had a lot of fun creating this one. First thing that I did was I picked out this tile. And I wanted to pick something that was really fun, also durable to have in a laundry room. From there, I brought in the dark gray paint, which is on the lower cabinets, and it really helped pop that Carrara marble that the tile is. There's always a lot of really dark kind of veining that pops up in the tile, so that really helped tie into that paint color. Then on the top, you'll notice that all the uppers, including the backsplash, is all white. And I do that just to keep it feeling light and bright and open instead of just being like a really dark space. This area is one of my favorite parts of this laundry room. It incorporates this beautiful farmhouse sink and a wall mount faucet, both really unique. And above there, this pendant, which I absolutely love, which is in a satin brass that ties down into our hardware. And I love the way that that balances out together. Laundry rooms are also a really functional space, and in this one I wanted to incorporate a few organizational tools that just makes it more functional. So over here there is a pull-out ironing board. It's really great because you don't have to deal with storing it and dragging it in and out of a closet, and most of the time most people just avoid ironing altogether because of that. So this one's really nice because it's just stored right in there. And then right here is a really unique outlet because it has a little phone charger on it, and it just pops right on there and will charge your phone while you're busy doing laundry that builds up over the week. And moving on over here, again, a bunch of white upper cabinets. You can store all of your cleaning supplies. And then in this one, another really great organizational tool is a pull down hanging rack. And so it's there when you need it, it's gone when you don't. It's just another added function to the space. And then over here, warming it up with a different material. These are white oak shelves, and just gives you the ability to throw a little decor in there, a little personality, and a little exposed storage. Over here, we have our washing machine and dryer, which is the heart of the room. It's really a personal preference if people want front loaders or top loaders. For me personally, I'm drawn to the front loaders because then it enables you to have this giant counter space for folding laundry, doing projects, whatever it may be. So we have this huge counter space all the way across here, and then these beautiful front loaders right here, which you'll notice are in a darker color. And I did that so it would just flow with the paint of the cabinets. So it doesn't really catch your eye. It's just a really beautiful flow all along the bottom, as well as the top with all of our white from our cabinets to our backsplash to our countertops. This is basically like your pull-out trash of your kitchen. This is a pull-out hamper. And so what's great about this is these guys can pop out. You can run around the house and collect laundry with them. There's 2 of them, comes in a bunch of different sizes, but for this space it was perfect, and it just slides right back in. Over here we have a Nest thermostat. They look beautiful. You can use them from your phone, and it's a great place to have it because it is like your utility room. Over here we have some satin brass hooks. Again, this room can be used for really everything, so having some hooks here to hang backpacks or purses at the end of the day is really great. And then again, that finish tied in with the other touches of brass throughout the space. And last but not least, I incorporated a barn door. And these are really fun for a space so you don't necessarily have to have the door closed all the time, and it just adds really a lot of visual appeal from both the inside and the outside. So that's it for our newest set at build.com. Be sure to check out our Shop by Look page where you can browse all the products you've seen today. And don't forget, most of these things would translate great into a bathroom or even a kitchen. So go get inspired, and we look forward to seeing you in our next set. For more great design ideas, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and head over to build.com to find everything that you need for your next project.